I have Vincent with me, and we'll be looking at the chapter 3 of Git and GitHub Crash Course. And today we'll be looking at the installation and verification process. Yeah, and that will be creating our first Git project together. So let's hop right into it. Okay, so now in installing Git, this is what we go to the site. Git has created a website for us whereby we can. So I already have Git, but I'm gonna go through it with you so you see how it goes. Okay. So after copying this, you paste that in here. It's called git scm.com. Then run that. I'm also gonna put this link in the description below so you can also have a copy of that. Okay. So now after you come in here, these are the process you have to go through. Let's come here. So to download the appropriate installer for your operating system, whether it's a Windows, Mac, or Linux, you have to select the one that you use. On my PC, what I use is Windows. So I installed for Windows, and you can see the button over here. Okay. And we also have the verification. You open the terminal just to make sure that you've really installed it after everything. So you run the command in your terminal. You can run it in either bash or prompt or any of them. So I think I do have command. So let me just run it in prompt. Oh, let me see command. Let me just drag this here so we can all have a look. So to be sure, if you have a Git, you just put in Git version, and it tells you the current version of Git you have on your PC. So that's how you check the version. And also, these are some few things that we could do some few activities. So preparing a simple project. So we're gonna do this together right now. Okay. The text talks to setting up. Yeah. So all of these. Yeah. So dummy projects. So terminal. We're gonna run all of this in the terminal. Yeah, we'll be creating all the files in the terminal. Usually we use the user interface whereby we click with the mouse to create files and folders. But this time we'll be using the terminal. We use cd to change directory. We use mk directory, mkdir to make a folder. A folder is the same as a directory. And we use touch to create files. So we see the difference between creating a file and creating a directory. Yeah, these are generic commands that works in most terminals, including the bash. Okay, so this is the structure of what we'll be creating now. The full structure. We need to create a directory called git examples, and then we'll have to do all of these. This is the main project folder. We have the hello, the text. We're going to create all of these individual files within. Then we will also create another directory and embed another and a folder in it called start. Yeah. So let's just do it now. And, let's use the bash. Let's use bash because bash was purposely created for Git bash. Let me minimize this. So now we are in the desktop directory. So now to see the number of files we have, let's show the list, but we want to create the Git example. So how do we create a directory. Okay, we'll create it using the make